Hey guys, what's up? This is Rishi here from RK Tech Center, and I'm unboxing and reviewing the Cyber Acoustics Audio 30 watts RMS speakers. It comes complete with a subwoofer, so there's your owner's guide, usually the stuff that I throw away. Immediately after that, you're greeted with the two satellite speakers. They are wrapped in some nice foam packaging, as you can see. There's two of them. Immediately under the box, you get access to the subwoofer, the control pod for adjusting the volume, and the power adapter for the subwoofer. Now the control pod is very nice. Everything's professionally wrapped, and the subwoofer, it's actually pretty compact. It runs at 30 watts RMS. Google it if you don't know what RMS means. But it can run up to 62 watts. Now, here's a closer look of the satellite speakers. The subwoofer, which can run at 62 watts, which is actually pretty powerful. I will be giving you guys a sound test of it, so stay tuned. And here's the control pod that lights up blue, which is very nice. It has its own auxiliary cable. And there's another view of the power adapter. One thing I would say for these set of speakers are to shorten the wires. They're really long, but maybe people need that out there. The control pod is very nice, and here's a sound test. Okay guys, you can see that the speakers are very bass heavy, and subscribe if you haven't, and be sure to catch me in the next one.